Okay, yeah, we're recording. Right, let's just set up my coordinates again, just first quadrant, X and Y. And what I want to do is to plot some straight lines on this. Rather than just plotting individual points, I'm gonna see if I can do something a bit more interesting and plot a whole line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to say that y equals 1 plus x. Okay? So I'm going to try different values of x's. So if I say x equals 0, then that means, just move this over here. Actually, I'll make a table. X and y. So I'm going to make x 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to use this relationship here to feed into it. So y is 1 because y is 1 plus x. And that's 2 because 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, 5. So we've got a whole bunch of pairs of coordinates here. There they are. May as well draw them all on there. 0, 1 is this one here. 1, 2 is this one here. 2, 3 is this one here. 3, 4 is this one here. And we can just, I'm going to even change my colour of my pen. We can join them up with a straight line. And it should be obvious to you that I can produce that line down here. And I can produce it along here. It's not perfectly drawn, you see, it's not quite right, but you get the idea. Mathematically it is. It's just that my handwriting's pretty poor. So we've got these locations here. These are just the integer ones, but we're sort of interpolating here. So we could do this one here. This point here would be x equals well, it's about 2.5, isn't it? And y would equal 3.5, yeah. And you can keep on filling the dots in until you get more and more and more of them, and they all fall on this nice straight line here, which is quite nice. So we've got a nice way of summarizing y equals 1 plus x, which is to draw, actually I'll draw the whole graph. There's x, there's y, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It's there, isn't it? And then there's a point there, and 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 so forth. And we can just join them up with a nice bright red line, which is the equation y equals 1 plus x. There you go. Y equals 1 plus x. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop there.